If you also want to deposit $10 into your Exness account, here's how you can do it. Let me first clarify something very important. You cannot do it directly through Binance because Binance has set a minimum deposit limit of $50. That means you cannot deposit anything below $50 using that option. First, go to your Exness account. Before making any deposit, you must create an account. If you don't have one yet, you will see an Open Account option on the top right side. Click on it and set up your account the way you want. If you need help creating the account, you can check the previous video. The link will be added there, where I show exactly how to create an account. Once you continue with the standard account option, your account will be created. After that, go to Payment and Wallet. On the left side, you will see the deposit option. If you try using Binance directly, it will show that the minimum limit is $50, so you can't deposit less than that. Instead, go again to the deposit option and choose the TRC20 option. Click on it. Now choose the standard account you just created as the destination for the deposit. After that, select Exchange Wallet as the payment option. Once everything is selected, simply click Continue to proceed to the next step. Make sure of one important thing. The ID used for your Exness account must be the same as the one used for your Binance account. If the Binance account is under someone else's name and the Exness account is under a different name, the transfer will not go through. Another important tip: do not send exactly $10. If you send $10, your deposit might get stuck or delayed because there is about $1 in fees when converting and transferring the funds. So you should send $11 instead, so that after the $1 fee, you will receive $10 in your account. Next, open your Binance account. After opening Binance, go to Assets, and make sure your balance is in Funding. As you can see, my balance is in Funding. And select Send next to the Add Funds option. If you don't have funds in Funding, just press Transfer, then move your dollars from Spot to Funding. Then choose Withdraw Crypto. Now select USDT and choose the TRC20 network. When selecting the amount, don't choose $10. Choose $11 because $1 will be deducted as the fee, and you will receive $10 in your Exness account. At the top, use the Scan option and scan the deposit address. It will automatically copy the address. Then click Withdraw and confirm the transfer. After confirming, Binance will ask you for authentication. Open your authentication app and your email, copy the verification code, and paste it here. Then confirm the transaction. Once confirmed, the withdrawal will go into processing. The estimated processing details will be shown below. If you check View History, you will see the transaction status. Usually, it takes about 2 to 4 minutes for the process to complete. After that, the money will be deducted from your Binance account and received in your Exness account. When you return to the Exness page, you will see that your $10 deposit is pending, and shortly after that, it will appear in your account. You can also check it in the Withdraw Transaction History, where you'll see that the $10 deposit via TRC20 has arrived in your crypto wallet and was automatically transferred into your Exness account. So now you know how to deposit $10 from Binance into your Exness account.